Raise your hands if you're sick. If you're sick of it, raise your hands if you're sick.
What's going on, you guys? My name is Shay TM Chris Martis, and you watch it on Five Nights at Freddy's. We're gonna do with a little bit of reaction for a serious episode. So we're gonna probably watch on Bonnie and Hypnotized regular Bonnie. So I kind of a little bit scared right now because I'm not kind of scared straight for the Five Liberal Nights. So it's like a part of the TV channel is little normal scale. So we got 2 more days, but I off work Friday because we off work Friday, the Sunday. But it's not Memorial Day yet, and I just busy working on my NO CD. But I'm still working on my NOCD, my new album. I was probably working on Five Nights at Freddy's freestyle rap on SoundCloud. But you can just download on SoundCloud in Google Play and Apple Store. But Google Play, Apple Store, but it's like both apps. So you can search my profile name on JTM Chris Martis. It's all capital letters because it's all capital letters. And you can see my profile. It's got like all rap songs. I got 26 songs on my music. We got so many followers. We got so many fans on SoundCloud. So thank you guys. Love my songs and have a good time. Okay, guys, let's watch this video. And click a thumbs up and check comics and links and send in send instruction and click the little bell. Okay, let's watch this video. I never see this video. This came out for earlier. I think this video came out last month or last week, or is it this summer? Let's find out. I love that second. Chica, you're breaking the door.
The door's boarded up, but keep those wood pieces there just in case we need them.
Did Freddy talk to you?
Yeah, he did.
Why?
Is something wrong?
Sorry, I need to go.
Well, because you're fine, like, you just do whatever you want. Nightmare Bonnie. Oh, shoot.
One more piece to go. I know where to find it.
Oh shoot. Bad one gangster. He is attacking.
I've been expecting you, Bonnie.
Oh, shoot. Oh, he's going hypnotized. Why does hypnotize us so? You know. Oh,
Stand up.
hypnotize the eyes.
Testing, testing.
Testing, testing.
Oh,
Perfect.
it communicates.
I have a job for you. Collect the head of our master, which I located to be under the desk of the security office. Bring it to me and you'll be rewarded. Be quick, and avoid all eye contact with anyone.
Bonnie, I've been meaning to talk with you.
Crap.
Wait, what's wrong with your eyes?
Nothing. Now get out of the way.
Why you break up with Chica? You nervous or something?
Okay, now head back to the basement. Wait, go back. Look under the desk again.
Oh, his arm.
Well, what do you know? He still remains. Take it too.
Why you spring Shrimp's arm in Puppet's head? Oh, Mega Underwear. Don't you do.
Great job. We're almost complete here.
Someone's here.
Mango.
It's probably just a rat. Now help me.
I must warn everyone.
Serious? Told you
You
what?
won't be warning a soul.
Oh my gosh. I like that kind of intro music. Guys, I like that kind of intro music. That's way great. I just dancing like this. Dancing like way good, like groovy fashion thing. So thanks, dude. I like your video, but I like your video anyway. That's one of my favorite TV channels. So okay, well, I'm going to edit this video. I'm going to put on the new smash round for the background. So okay, don't miss my videos. I got like 15 videos on my channel on YouTube. So give me some busy weekend and have a great time, and don't miss anything else.
Run them jewels fast, run them jewels fast, run them, fuck the slow-mo.